Good afternoon. Welcome to a rather chilly day in Yorkshire. So today I'm heading up to Doe Park Reservoir, which is, I think it's classed as Thornton or Denholme, not quite sure, somewhere in between the two, which is local to me. As Matt Hancock said on the briefing yesterday, you can walk 7 miles if you want, as long as you're walking from your front door and not driving in your car. Well, I'm not going to be going as far as 7 miles from home today, but well, it might be 7 miles in total or longer, but we'll wait and see. So I say it's all new to me, so I'll give you a bit of a look around. Yeah, I'm not planning out being too long because I'm supposed to be going out for a walk with Debs, my wife, when she's finished work. So that said, me and my route planning don't always go to plan. So and now all the snow's melted, it's pretty crap underfoot, and didn't put my waterproof boots on because I didn't think I'd be doing that much proper hiking. So I've just got my my Merrell Moabs, which are summer shoes really. But my feet get wet. They get wet. It's not the end of the world. It's quite nice down here. I don't know why I've never come before. It's literally, I say, I've probably walked 2 and a bit miles to get here. And like I say, it's just one of those places. We've all done it. You know, you've got all these beautiful places on your door, but you go to the Lake District all the time, don't you? Or you go to Scotland or wherever, or the Peak District. But because we've been kind of forced to stay at home, you're well, forced to stay localish. You're kind of sort of discovering more places to get to, aren't you, really? Which is oh, I've just got to a brook now. I'm thinking on the normal sections this would have some little stepping stones or be paddleable. Shall I try it? I'm going to get across somehow. This could be interesting. If I'd had my waterproof boots on, I just waded through, but there it goes. Success! I didn't even get my feet wet. Amazing. So yeah, I was saying, you're forced to find all these local spots, and I've kind of exhausted the ones I already knew. Well, not exhausted, but I've been on them a few times. So you like to go somewhere different, don't you? If you're going out regularly. And this one is one that I've never been to before. So, and it looks like it would be a lovely walk in. Well, it's a lovely walk now, but a lovely walk in summer when it's less boggy and horrible. So. And I brought my flask with me, so I'm going to have a brew when I get to the reservoir, all being well. But I have forgot my sit mat. What a rookie error that is. So I'll be getting a cold or wet bum, or both. So, see you in a bit. Well, I've arrived at the reservoir and it's partially frozen by a lot of things. And just before I arrived there, I stood in a massive, massive bog. So, totally, I managed to wipe a lot of it off. Totally muddy. So here's the reservoir, guys. Do you know, I thought I would have seen more people out today. I know it's about 4 o'clock now, so it's going to be getting dark soon, but still, this is it's quite a local route to, or a local area to so many villages and town. Well, there's Thornton and Queensbury and Denholme, would have thought it's been a cracking walking route. But no, I've seen one person. So it looks like I've got it all to myself. So as I haven't got my sit mat, I'm going to try and find a piece of wall to perch on or lean on while I get my flask out and get a brew on. So I'll bring you back in a second. So the main reason I came up here today was I'm going to put a compilation together of my favourite bits of 2020, which is traditional for all YouTubers to do at this time of year, I know, but it's not just for people out there, but it's for people, you know, it's for me, you know, because this is kind of just reliving my happy times in it. So that's the reason I came down here, because I thought it's better than just recording a video in my front room or, you know, in my bedroom or whatever. So that's the reason I came down here. However, I've recorded quite a bit while I've been down here, so I might do a little short 10-minute video. So, solution to the sit mat problem. Didn't have my sit mat with me, however, because the only thing I had in my backpack was my flask. My flask, flask is out now, so I've got a sit mat which is pretty comfy. It's fairly thick, so it's keeping my bum warm and dry. Yeah, it's fantastic down here. It's but very muddy. We just had somebody come with the dogs and spray me as it got in the water, and then sprayed all over me with water. So, but yeah, it's a cracking little place. I think I'll come down more often, but with appropriate footwear. Because apparently even in summer it's bad down here, and I've never been here before, and it's lovely. That's only the second person I'm seeing out now. I thought it'd be much busier. Well, I'm nearly home now, and just saying about not being able to get out to mountains because of lockdown. Ironically, the place I'm filming this on now is called Mountain, and it's literally, I don't know, half a mile up the road from my house. So I've always been on a mountain every day. So this is a view out from the top of the mountain, if you can see. Looks quite pretty, doesn't it, really? You wouldn't believe that, well, it's Bradford. All sorts goes on down there, but, you know, once you get out of the city centre, there's some absolutely fantastic areas surrounding it. It looks all really nicely up, and you can see for miles from up here. I won't even begin to guess where half those places are, but the main part of it is sort of the city centre and sort of surrounding areas. But it looks pretty. It looks like Blackpool Illuminations, doesn't it? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm filming this last bit on my phone because it's so cold. My battery on my GoPro's died. So it's only a short video to get out and about and just get some fresh air, stretch my legs, and hopefully you'll enjoy it if I put it together correctly. Take care there. See you later.